guys, welcome back to RGTV. Today we are going to make Band-Aid cookies for Halloween. I've got some good videos coming up, and I've got some good Halloween videos uploaded as well, so go take a look at that if you'd like to see some more. This recipe is actually very simple. Like most of my recipes, some can be a little more difficult, but this one absolutely anyone can do, and you may already have everything you need at home. So we're just going to take our graham crackers, and I have basically separated those into 4 pieces, and I've taken a knife and I've just kind of chiseled away at the edges of that graham cracker to make that look a little bit more rounded. I've done this 2 different ways, and you can tell me which way you like the best. But we have 5 here, and then 3 here and 3 here, and we're just going to basically make a square right on these 5 little indentions on the center of this graham cracker. And I'm using white icing. You could also use royal icing, I guess. And I'm going to start on the corner and go down. I'm not going to go all the way down for the bandage part. I'm going to leave a little bit of those edges, and it's kind of open at the top, but that's okay. You can just go right back along over it. And now all I'm doing pretty much is just filling in that square. This would be cute for a Halloween party too, or just maybe in the evenings leading up to Halloween for your kids as a snack. Kind of flatten it out just a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other one because I want to show you the 2 different ways I actually added the blood. And I'm just going back and forth to fill this up. Okay. And I also just have some red icing here, and you can just do a plop in the center. Let's see here. Just kind of, you know, random, haphazard looking blotch. These are almost gross. I do actually have some gross kind of foods, Halloween foods on my videos, so definitely check that out, guys, and subscribe if you haven't, because I got some good ideas coming up as well. But I like to throw in the easier ones too, because let's face it, sometimes as moms we don't have a lot of time, and we still want to do something really cool for our kids, or for a party, or for, you know, for our friends. So this is definitely one of those. I also have some red food gel, and I just did a blob on there. Now it kind of doesn't look like much, but once you let it sit, it definitely looks oozy, goozy, like blood. I mean, that definitely looks pretty realistic as opposed to just the red icing. But again, you can really do it either way. This might be a little bit messier to eat. You know, maybe who wants to eat a blob of red food coloring? But again, I think it just gives it a much more realistic feel. So definitely give these a try. If you like what we're doing here, guys, subscribe down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you were here. Please share my video, guys. I do appreciate all the support. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.